Hello traders! In this video today, we will reveal you all our techniques to master the Fibonacci tool. So make sure to watch the video till the end. The Fibonacci tool is a very powerful indicator that can help you in identifying the reversal points to better make a decision. Before we begin, in order to encourage us to produce more educational material for free, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Now here is exactly what we will be covering in this video. What is Fibonacci ratio? Fibonacci and support and resistance. How to trade with Fibonacci. In most knowing platforms, you will find plenty of levels on the retracement tool. But in our video, we will focus on the 38.2, 50, and 61.8 levels. The first level is the 38.2. If the market goes back to this point and starts to reject this area, we normally will see a very aggressive pushback to a new swing high on an uptrend and swing low on a downtrend. It is a level that confirms that we are in a strong trend. The 50 level. It's generally not a regular Fibonacci level, but a psychological level. In this area, we can see some consolidation movements, and it's not a strong level. The 61.8, also called the inverse gold ratio. It's a level at which we can expect a reversal movement, and most of the traders look for it. In an uptrend, the market goes up making a higher high and lower high. Traders use the Fibonacci tool to identify a potential trading area for making a decision. To plot the retracement tool in the right way, we need to identify a recent swing low and swing high. On this chart, the major swing low and the major swing high is these point. Then we plot the tool from the swing low to the swing high. We see clearly that the market finds support at this level, which is 61.8. And also it is a support zone that pushes the market upwards because, at these prices, the majority of traders place their orders. So we expect a clear rejection on this area and the market continues its upward direction. On the opposite side, in a downtrend market goes down making a lower low and a higher low. We plot the retracement tool from the high of the swing high to the low of the swing low. Now the price reacts on the Fibonacci levels as a point of resistance. If we go back, we see that this zone is a resistance area. And also price react with the level 38.2. This is called a cluster zone. As you see market reject these price and immediately reverse downwards. As mentioned before, if the price is in a very strong trend, the price will often respect the 38.2% level and will rarely go beyond it. Now let's trade with Fibonacci. To make better results with Fibonacci, you need to add some confirmation. On our strategy, we will use the moving average 100. Moving average is a powerful tool that can help us in identifying the direction of trend, and it gives us the confirmation of high probability trades. In our strategy, we will trade with the direction of trend. As you see on this chart, the candles have been trading above the moving average, which means that the price is in a strong uptrend. So our goal is to identify the swing high and swing low. After that, we draw the retracement tool from the swing low to the swing high. Then, when the market makes a pullback to the retracement levels, we expect the price to find a support, Also, the moving average provides a support for the price. That way, we will look for the confluence between the moving average and one of the 3 retracement levels to place our trade. In this example, we see that the 38.2 level coincides with the moving average. We can predict that the price will find a strong support at this zone. Then, we will put the buy order, and for more confidence, we put the stop loss under the 61.8 level. For the take profit, we will target the recent swing high or 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, expecting a new swing high. On the opposite side, we see here that the market is going down. The moving average is above the price. So we plot our retracement tool from the swing high to the swing low. In this area, we see a zone of confluence. The 61.8 coincides with the moving average, which indicates that the price will find a strong resistance. So we put a sell order at this level with a stop loss just above the 61.8. Our target will be the recent swing low or again, 2-to-1 our stop. Let's now find some examples to better master this strategy.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way.
We hope you enjoyed the video. For encouraging us to make new videos, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.